Hey there, my wife and I, we were on our honeymoon in Hawaii, some years back, and we were approached by a man asking us, how would you like it if you could have your own place in Hawaii? And of course, that would be really amazing, right? He offered us some show tickets and dinner to attend a 90-minute presentation. And we talked about it and agreed that it sounded like a great idea. So we signed the paperwork, and after 3 years, we never had time or money to make it back to Hawaii. And then we tried again on the fourth year, and we were told that there was a blackout dates, the blackout dates. And our exchange company tried to get us to Florida instead. Well, we were really disappointed. Plus, the maintenance fees had gone up to like $800 in the past 4 years that we'd had the timeshare. And, I'll tell you, it just wasn't the honeymoon that we had signed up for. We tried about 15 companies that promised to get us out of our timeshare. They had no success. We spent over about $3,000 in listing fees and advertising and trying to rent with no luck at all. And we were very frustrated, and the fees on our timeshare just kept going up and up. We saw an ad, it was on television for No Attorney Timeshare Program. And it was all about getting us out of our timeshare contract. And of course, I was I was very skeptical from my past experiences, and I almost did not make the call. But the staff at No Attorney Timeshare, they explained the process, and so what the heck, we gave them a chance, and it was really the best thing that's happened to my wife and myself in a long time. They were the first company first company to actually do what they said they were going to do. And I am proud to say that today my wife and I no longer own our timeshare any longer. I was the biggest skeptic, but I will say this, that the No Attorney Timeshare Program actually works. And so a big shout out to the No Attorney Timeshare Program.